Hello everyone, welcome to a new YouTube video. And here we have Sanika, aka Psycho Didi, with us, who's going to be helping us understand the entire experience of hers from a student's perspective at TIS. Hello, Sanika, welcome. Uh,
Hello, hi Maxine. How
Hi,
are
how are you? How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Actually, I had a meeting at 11 and then I realized that we have this at 12. So I just like turned that around and then I gave this priority. So I was like since 11 I was taking bath and preparing and I didn't do much makeup but like wore good clothes and stuff for this. So I'm pretty excited for the interview.
I can't explain you how much I'm excited to have you because I myself during my preparation period have seen a lot of videos of yours and like a lot of that. So this is like a fangirl moment for me and I am so inspired by you and I'm sure a lot of people who are watching this have been inspired by you or learned something from you. So thank you so much for that. Would you like to like introduce yourself and your experience as a TIS student?
Uh, okay. So I'm Sanika, and I did my bachelor's from Ferguson College, and I
Mhm.
did my master's from TIS. I don't think my identity is limited to that. I did a lot of things in and out. I did a entrepreneurship program for an year when I was in TIS. Then I took up entrepreneurship and I mentored around 2000 kids, taught around 350 kids, the entire syllabus of psychology. I think took Psycho Didi also to a seven-figure business and then like tried to keep up with badminton as a sport, won some tournaments in TIS for badminton. So a lot of things here and there. But most of all, I think I love studying. And studying is also like a thing that gives me joy also, and the thing that is defense mechanism also. That if whatever goes wrong, I'll go and study. So that is what it is like. I think that is the reason I started Psycho Didi also to teach, study, and to like spread that thing कि पढ़ने में मजा है. Yeah, so that's my introduction.
That's nice. How was your personal experience in this entire process of preparing for test, getting into test, and then graduating?
Okay, so I started preparing when I was in third year of bachelor's.
Mhm.
That time, see, I wanted to get into TIS when I was in 12th grade only because some professor had told us that it's great and I have learned a lot from the faculty there, वगैरह वगैरह. So I Googled and I saw the campus and I saw the professors and the way they were talking and stuff. I was like, this is a good place to go. But then I was contemplating other places also, Azim Premji University and Ashoka University and a lot of other places. But then in bachelor's, as I learned more, understood what is important, understood the importance of theoretical grounding, practical exposure, everything. Then I set my mind to getting into this. And also because none of our seniors had gotten, like in my senior batch, one senior had gotten, and in the super senior batch, one senior had gotten. And like we never knew about these people who had gotten. And we always thought it was this unreachable. We, matlab, I and two of my best friends were there in third year. So we always thought ये एकदम unreachable elite सा institute है जहाँ पे किसी को नहीं जाता आता. तो फिर तो हमेशा मन में तो खुन्नस होती है दैट किसी को नहीं जाते आता तो हम जाएंगे. तो देन वी डिसाइडेड दैट विल गो. सो that is how it started. Then I started preparing. I enrolled with Wire Academy. I started preparing with them. I have a lot to speak about the coaching classes also if you have questions to ask. But I prepared for GK, English, Math. GK I prepared mostly from YouTube only. English I think I just knew because हमने इतना 15 साल English medium में ही पढ़ाई किया है. और मैथ इज समथिंग आई हैड टू प्रैक्टिस, बट स्टिल इट वाज 10th ग्रेड मैथ एंड इट वाज फन, मतलब ब्रेन का कोई और हिस्सा ही स्टिमुलेट हो रहा था, ऐसा फील हो रहा था. सो इट वाज फन ऑल्सो, एंड दैट इज हाउ प्रिपरेशन स्टार्टेड. I think I stayed consistent mostly. I used to take breaks on Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday एकदम strictly कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Monday to Friday पढ़ना है. That is what my rule was. So I was very sure कि मेरा कट ऑफ तो क्लियर होना ही है. Then I got 67 in the final exam and cutoff was 51. So like it was far away. Then the important thing was interview. Interview I prepared. There also coaching classes. Some did well, some just messed up. It's like I have a lot of tea about coaching classes, I tell you. But yeah, then I try to approach my professors, ask them to take my mock interview, ask seniors to take my mock interview. Like I only try to look for all the resources that are there and ask them to sit for me and give me time and take mock interviews with me. And I have a friend in HR. I asked her to take my behavioral and पर्सनालिटी रिलेटेड इंटरव्यू, ऐसा सब कर करके फिर जो भी लोग फीडबैक देते थे वो लिखती थी. एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू वर्क ऑन इट एंड आई थिंक दैट हेल्प्ड. द actual interview was terrifying, honestly. Like I sat with full fresh clothes and stuff, and at the end everything I was sweating and everything was so like मतलब बाहर आने के बाद ऐसे मुझे वापस नहाना पड़ा. So that is how tensed I was. But it was a fun experience. I think when I get put through stress, I usually वो health psychology में होता था ना, primary appraisal, secondary appraisal. तो प्राइमरी अप्रेजल ऑफ स्ट्रेस फॉर एनीथिंग इज यूजुअली चैलेंज, कि अच्छा ये चैलेंज है, अभी इसको देखते हैं कैसे ओवरकम किया जाए. सो दैट देन टर्न्स इनटू फन. इफ इट इज अ थ्रेट फिर मजा नहीं आता है, फिर वाट लग जाते हैं. सो दैट इज like basically taking everything as a challenge helped get in.
Very interesting. So a break, like you don't mind talking about the coaching experience, right?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay. So since you've told us that you have a lot of insight into your entire coaching experience and how that was, would you like to tell us more about it?
Yeah, definitely. So now though it has changed, like Disnet is CUET now,
Yes.
but the like the coaching that I had got into Wire Academy,
Mm.
they were teaching for um they were teaching for three things: GK, English, and Math.
Mm.
And that time now I was told that all you need to do is follow what is being told. Like उतना जो बोला है उतना करो.
Mm.
And I believed for the first few months. But I realized that one size fits all thing never happens for anybody. And you
Mm.
have to find your own way. Like कितना भी किसी ने भी बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोला ना कि हमारा सब फॉलो करो, आपको तो 100 में से 100 ही मिल जाएगा. यू
Mm.
हैव टू फाइंड समथिंग दैट वर्क्स फॉर यू. तो टीचिंग का नहीं समझ आता होगा, या बहुत ही बेसिक सिखाते होंगे, तुम्हें थोड़ा चाहिए और ज़्यादा चैलेंज, या बहुत ही ज़्यादा चैलेंज है तुम्हें थोड़ा बेसिक से सिखाना है, ऐसे चाहिए. यू हैव टू फाइंड रिसोर्सेज फॉर दैट. तो कोई अगर बोल देता है विल प्रोवाइड यू ऑल रिसोर्सेज, ऑल मॉक टेस्ट, ऑल दिस ऑल दैट, यू हैव टू टेक इट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. कोई भी कोचिंग तुम्हें सब कुछ नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकता, क्योंकि तुम बने नहीं हो बॉक्स में बैठने के लिए. I found GK ka YouTube channel which worked for me. Then I found English practice questions which worked for me. So I used to do a lot of practice from other resources apart from coaching classes. कोचिंग के मॉक टेस्ट और कोचिंग का मैथ्स का ये, उससे ही मुझे फायदा होता था. तो वो करने के बाद आई रियलाइज दैट द मनी दैट यू पे to any class, that has to be reasonable, like when you compare it to the effort that you are extra going to put in finding your resources, right? So when I was there, I had to pay like less only. I had to pay somewhere in 20Ks. But now it is exorbitant amount of money that coaching like these charge. And it's just like मुझे पता है कोचिंग क्लासेस के पैसे वो 6 महीने 9 महीने 1 साल के लिए, वो टिस के सेमेस्टर की फीस से ज्यादा है. और मतलब इट्स जस्ट नॉट वर्थ इट कि मैं इतना रिसोर्सेस खर्चा करके अगर मुझे मेरा ही ढूंढना है कुछ कुछ चीजें, तो फिर इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील. Another thing that I feel is, so what coachings do na, they try to show that one college is the solution of your life. Like वो अगर मिला तो तुम्हारा सब कुछ सेट है, तो अगर नहीं मिला तो तुम बर्बाद. मतलब कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है, फिर तो तुमने छोड़ ही देना चाहिए जीना वगैरह. ऐसे ऐसे इसमें बात करते हैं. एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक ऑपोजिट ऑफ व्हाट मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स आर ट्राइंग टू डू. मतलब वो ही तो नहीं करना है. आईआईटी जेडब्ल्यू नीट का ही तो पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं करना है. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील. तो दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग. लाइक ऐसे बोलना कि टिस में सिर्फ टॉप 1% लोगों का एडमिशन होता है. टिस में एडमिशन हुआ तो सब कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा. टिस में एडमिशन हुआ तो आप लाखों में कमाओगे. ये वो आपका सब, आपको जिस तरह का रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा, आप फुल लीडर बन जाओगे, ये वो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब टिस में भी एडमिशन हुआ तो भी यू हैव टू बी अ गुड स्टूडेंट. यू हैव टू बी कंसेंशियस. You have to like be in that competition. You have to try to be top of your class. You have to be good in the dissertation that you've done. You have to do the field work with full shiddat. And after that only, you probably land a job of 40K. And after that also you have to hustle. Everywhere you have to hustle only. कुछ सेट नहीं होता है ऐसे. तो वो जो झूठ दिखाते हैं, it's just like sad. उसके अलावा like for interview also, it was not very like डिसओरिएंटेड. एवरीबडी वाज जस्ट, सब तुक्का लगा रहे थे कि टिस के इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछेंगे. और वो तुक्के के हिसाब से अपना अपना करने का कोशिश कर रहे थे. किसी कोचिंग क्लास को ऐसे लग रहा था कि साइकोलॉजी का कुछ नहीं पूछते, सिर्फ बिहेवियर, पर्सनालिटी, सोशल लाइफ, सोशल सोशल पॉलिटिकल वगैरह ऐसा पूछते. तो फिर उन्होंने वैसे ही क्वेश्चंस का मॉक इंटरव्यू का प्रैक्टिस करवाया. किसी किसी को लग रहा था सिर्फ साइकोलॉजी का पूछते, तो उन्होंने बस वैसे ही किया. So nobody really knew. Like, I think because in both the coaching classes that I was a part of, I think जो टिसियंस है वो अप्लाइड साइकोलॉजी के टिसियंस नहीं है. वो एचआरएम के टिसियंस है. जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो या तो एचआरएम के हैं या किसी और कोर्स के हैं. तो दे डिडंट न्यू व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, एंड दे थॉट दे कैन जस्ट एक्सट्रापोलेट बेस्ड ऑन देयर कोर्स. वो बाकी का फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं. तो किसी को पूछा भी नहीं उन्होंने. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक एटलीस्ट अगर ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स, मतलब आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि वो पूछते हैं कि क्वेश्चन क्या क्या पूछे. जस्ट सेंड अस द एंटायर इंटरव्यू ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, वो पूछते हैं. एटलीस्ट डू पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन फ्रॉम दैट एंड देन मेक योर इंटरव्यू, मॉक इंटरव्यू, नियर द रियल एक्सपीरियंस. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील. सो दैट इज व्हाट माई एक्सपीरियंस वाज. मतलब इट्स it's a bittersweet thing, but I think 15-20K से ज़्यादा पढ़ाई के लिए, कोचिंग के लिए पे नहीं करना चाहिए. It's not worth it if you are going to look for other places and if you're not going to get the conducive kind of practice that you.
I think right now what you said has really also busted my bubble because I was in the same coaching as you. I took my test net ke time. I was also under test wire, and it was in my head so badly कि if not test, then it's nothing. I remember I let go of my Christ ka admission, I let go of my Manipal ka admission, and I took a year break कि अब तो test में ही जाना है, because I was like so into just based on that. And now is when I realized like what you said कि ये college नहीं मिला तो कुछ नहीं. It actually like it just bust my entire bubble, and I feel more comfortable in the place I am or in the university I'm planning to go to right now. So I think that is like thank you so much. And I feel a lot of people who are going to hear this will feel the similar way, or maybe based on whatever their
Yeah.
experiences were. Apart from that, what do you think is the advantage कि पहले टिसनेट था, अभी सीयूईटी पीजी के अंडर है, because now it's just purely psychology? Do you think that's an advantage, or now we have a higher level of competition or chances in the university?
Yeah, I think the competition has really increased
Hmm.
because पहले टिसनेट था ना, उसके वजह से मैथ्स देख के आधे लोग तो गिव अप ही कर देते थे. मतलब देते ही नहीं थे. तो
Yeah.
वो भी था. और टिसनेट के वजह से यू हैड टू स्टडी अ होल न्यू थिंग एंटायरली.
Hmm.
मतलब you didn't have psychology. जो बैचलर्स में किया है वो ही नहीं पूछने वाले थे,
Hmm.
कुछ और ही पूछने वाले थे। तो अलग पढ़ाई करना थर्ड ईयर में, जब थर्ड ईयर में कुछ कुछ लोगों को डेजर्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट इंटर्नशिप सब करना होता है, उसके साथ अलग से पढ़ाई करना, ये तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है ना। तो उसकी वजह से भी कंपटीशन कम था। बट अभी सीयूईटी की वजह से कंपटीशन इज अ लॉट, लाइक फॉर एवरी सीट there is around 20 people who are aiming for the seat.
Hmm.
मतलब when they were giving entrances this year, I think around 5,000 6,000 people might have applied for applied psychology, और फिर उसमें से 340 बच्चे इंटरव्यू के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए। तो there is a lot of people who are aiming for those 50 seats only. It's like 1% selection chance वहां तक आ गया है अभी। So that has increased a lot. Now all the 14,000 people who will give CUET, they can apply for this, and then जो top 300 top 350 होंगे वो ही लोग select होंगे। तो that has made competition really tough. But now hope has increased for people who don't like math or don't like GK. Like
Yes.
I still don't understand कि ये नॉट लाइकिंग मैथ एंड जीके ना, इट कम्स फ्रॉम बैड टीचर्स। मतलब
Hmm.
टीचर्स अच्छे नहीं होते हैं तो फिर डर आ जाता है मन में, जैसे स्टैट्स का डर होता है वैसे।
Oh.
बट अगर टीचर्स अच्छे होते हैं या हमने थोड़ा ओपन माइंड से प्रैक्टिस करने का कोशिश किया तो वो सब नहीं होता है। तो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस, लाइक आई स्टिल थिंक कि इसमें से भी है, मार्ग है। बट इफ यू रियली डोंट लाइक और यू डोंट वांट टू डू और एकदम फोबिया ही हो गया है, तो फिर ये अच्छी बात है कि उन लोगों के लिए तो बहुत ही मजा हो गया कि 75 क्वेश्चन, गेट ऑल दोज साइकोलॉजी क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट, एंड यू गेट इनटू व्हाटएवर कॉलेज यू वांट टू। आई थिंक गेटिंग 100 on 100 इन टिसनेट वाज इम्पॉसिबल, क्योंकि जीके का कुछ भी पूछ लेते थे, कुछ भी कहीं से भी। You can never study enough in GK, but getting 300 on 300 in psychology CUET is so much more possible.
Yes.
Like अभी तो मिल भी गया है एक लड़के को।
Yes.
तो that is much more like something which one can aim for compared to getting a very high score in test.
That what do you think was a difference in your life at Ferguson doing your bachelor's and then at TIS? And do you have a favorite?
Instances where there were no friends and I couldn't talk to anybody freely, and they had case competitions, they had leadership hunt, they had a lot of things, and I participated in all of them.